Today, I got a phone call from the Orange County Health Department.
And the information this Lake Forest man was given wasn't at all what he was expecting.
They told me that, yes, I'm positive with coronavirus. And they went through my symptoms and the precautions of what I should do as far as quarantine.
None of this would be out of the ordinary except for the fact that Gary Michael has received both of his COVID-19 vaccines. His first Pfizer shot was on December 28th, followed by a second vaccine January 18th. 3 weeks have passed since those vaccinations. Yet when Michael was COVID tested here at Mission Hospital in Mission Viejo on Saturday, where he came for an unrelated health issue, he says he tested positive. Dr. Terso Del Junco is the chief medical officer for 7 Southern California hospitals, including OC Global Medical Center in Santa Ana.
You might be surprised by this man's story, this patient's story. I'm not, and it's not the first one that I've heard of. I think I've heard of 6 or 7 independent cases over the last 3 weeks of individuals that have been vaccinated with different timelines that have tested positive. And I think we're going to continue to see that more and more.
It's why doctors urge people to keep their masks on, whether they've been vaccinated or not. New mutant COVID strains are spreading in the community.
And we're going to truly understand the effectiveness and how long these vaccines are effective, number one. Number two, as soon as we started the vaccination program, is when we started hearing about these mutant strains. We've got 3 aggressive mutant strains now that people keep talking about, and that's been long after we started this vaccination process.
Gary Michael's living girlfriend did test positive for coronavirus 5 days after he received his second Pfizer dose. He told me his case is relatively minor. In Mission Viejo, Michelle Geely, KCAL 9.
All right, y'all. So you heard that. This man got both shots for coronavirus, and he still tested positive 3 weeks later after getting the second shot. Now, they said it takes weeks for the second shot to become effective. Well, it was weeks for him. And you heard what the doctor said. He done seen about 6, 7 people turn up the same way after getting the 2 shots. This is why I'm telling y'all, people are going to wake up and realize these shots did not do a damn thing to protect them against coronavirus. All right, so this came out in Hawaii News Now. All right, so California man tests positive for COVID-19 weeks after receiving second vaccine. So this is February 9th, 2021. A California man contracted COVID-19 after receiving both the Pfizer vaccines. Health experts warn that this could now be more common to the virus variant that have emerged. So then you getting those shots is counterproductive. You're no more protected than a person that didn't get the shot. So the man that you saw that took the 2 Pfizer shots, his name was Gary Michael. He tested Saturday for COVID-19 when he went to Mission Hospital. He went for another health issue and found out he was positive for the coronavirus. With the ongoing pandemic, none of this would be out of the ordinary. And you heard what the doctor said. He said he already seen several patients that this same similar thing has happened to. And he said, I've heard of 6 or 7 independent cases over the last 3 weeks of individuals that have been vaccinated with different timelines and have tested positive. I think we're going to continue to see more and more. This is what the doctor said that you heard on the video. And I believe he's right. Come on, look at how fast they came up with this vaccine. You cannot believe this thing is what they claim, 95% effective. Where? On the moon? Okay. Woo, look at how many people out here are believing them, y'all. Look at how many people are running around here believing it, despite the fact that we keep seeing people get sick. We keep seeing people die. We keep seeing people come up positive after getting these shots. And there are still a lot of people that have faith in this shot. It just go to show you there are a lot of gullible people in America. Lots and lots of them. By the time summer come, I will bet every dime in my wallet that the majority of these people that got these 2 shots will have COVID. Summer is not going to be the summer that you out here, that fantasy summer about, oh, we're going to be back to normal. Well, that fantasy summer is just more evidence of how gullible Americans really are. That's just more evidence of it. So, ladies and gentlemen, according to the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, clinical trials show that the Pfizer shot still on this 95% effective, despite the fact that it's killed people in preventing laboratory confirmed COVID-19 illness in people without evidence of previous infection. Yeah, y'all, I don't think you can sell that 95% effectiveness anymore. You really shouldn't have been selling that to the public like that in the first place. Your clinical trials were not long enough. You didn't test enough people with different types of pre-existing conditions. It just wasn't good enough what you produce. And now this is just more evidence. And y'all, I got another story out of New York where a man died 25 minutes after getting the shot. And I'll be doing that story a little later. But see, they're going to keep going out in the public. And, you know, the media is the biggest culprit in putting out, oh, everybody needs to go get the vaccine. Oh, everybody needs to go. Oh, and Black people need to go get the, oh, Black people. Oh, let's show more Black people getting the shot. Let's get them out there. It ain't going to work. It ain't going to work. You know what your problem is? See, when you do these heinous things in the medical industry to us, you do absolutely nothing to make amends for it. So in your mind is, oh, we'll just keep moving. Oh, we'll just keep moving. Well, this is the result of it. You don't have enough Black people, and guess what? You don't deserve any either. None to go out there and get your shot. You don't deserve that from us. But y'all, please tell me what you think. Now, here's a man that got both shots. This is another one. I did a previous story of another person in Congress that got the shot and still got the coronavirus. He got both of his shots. And now you got another person. And this doctor said he's already seen it through several other individuals. Y'all can go out there and keep putting this poison in you if you want, but just leave us alone. Please leave your comment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit on the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace, family.